Alright, real quick, this video is going to serve two purposes. Number one, it's going to be a training video for my employees, but I'm also going to leave it public just in case new customers, if you want to see kind of how the process is on these Magna latches, maybe you just want to install one yourself, you can watch along. It's really easy, but for us, I want them all done the same way. There's a couple things that are important to me, and we'll talk about that now. So there's a new pool that's going to be installed. It's over here. It's going in the back of the yard here. But anytime you have a pool, you always want your gates to open away from the pool. That would be this way in this instance. So the other thing, let's open this up real quick. Oop, it's already been opened. Your lever with the pull-up bar, it's always going to go on the post side, and then the receiver is going to go on the swing side. All right. For this lever, there's these two L brackets, and the L brackets are going to go on like this, where you've got the two ridges here. The L is going to come back to the side. Okay. It's really easy. So let me start and put those on. Just be careful when you're running these screws like this. I've had so many times where that screw slips and here goes the Phillips right into my finger. Normally I wear gloves. Just something to be mindful of. So there's two here and there's going to be 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you're just going to take your lever, your pull-up bar, you're going to slide it on here. In this bag, there's going to be a silver screw. Silver screw goes right here. Goes right in here. You'll see where it goes. There's some holes there for it. The reason why that's there is you can take that and you can adjust the height on this later. Your receiver, is going to go right about there. I'm just going to mark it with my pencil. Okay, now you see how this latch here, it's not lined up. There's a Phillips screw right in here. You turn it clockwise. There's a little gap right there. So what I'm going to do, perfect. Just take that second key, make sure they got both keys. That's what you want. If you want to lock it, this will turn red and now you can't pull up on it. This is a 48-inch tall panel, so we know for sure this is 52, but measure it in case you're questioning about it. That's it. Thanks for watching.